Looking into the North Star. When did the judgment come? Filters of all my selves stop me in my motion. Fluid is the blood, am I on shaky or hallowed ground? Masks and vortex, energy push and pull. Who I am in this place is not who I am at all. Motions and moments, ups and valleys. I just want the space to make messes in grace. Step before start, it's no way for heart. What if we could just play? The many cells we draw, get back to colors on the canvas, and come back to our North Star.